Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Welcome friends. This is a 32-inch LG LED TV. Here in this TV the complaint blue tint display issue. Here you can see the purple shade on display. These types of complaints are mainly due to the backlight problems. See here, after removing the back cover and panel frames, these are the LED backlight strips. While checking with the LED checker, here you can see that the backlight color completely turns to purple tint color. Here only solution is backlight replacement. So these are the new backlights. Let's install this new one. Finally, here you can work is done. All backlights are installed properly. Now let's connect all sockets back to TV. Finally, work is done. Now the TV is turned on. Here you can see now the picture is clear. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.